Imagine you're on the go and someone asks you to share your internet from your iPhone, and you're struggling to find the hotspot option in the settings. Frustrating, right? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add the hotspot button directly to the control center so you can share your internet faster than ever, with just one tap. No complications, no wasted time. Just a quick and simple setup that can be useful every day. So, the first thing you need to do is swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Once you're in the control center, you'll see a plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it or simply tap anywhere on the empty space in the control center. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option that says Add a Control. Tap on it. This will open a list of all available functions you can add to the control center. Now, in this section, look for the Personal Hotspot option. The easiest way to find it is by tapping the search bar at the top of the screen, then type Personal Hotspot, and it will appear in the search results. Tap on it. This will add the Personal Hotspot button to your control center. Once the button is added, you can tap the little hook in the bottom right corner of the button to make it larger or smaller. You can also place it wherever you want within the control center. Just tap and hold it, then drag it to the desired position. When you're happy with how it looks, simply tap anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now it's super easy to enable or disable the personal hotspot directly from the control center. One tap gives you quick access whenever you need an internet connection. Also, keep in mind that the hotspot will only work if you have mobile data turned on and an active mobile network. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this one, feel free to leave a comment below the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.